Hello, welcome. Let's have a quick one on this episode number 8 of combination tutorial. In how many ways may 10 people be divided into 3 groups of 5, 3, 2 people? Meaning the first groups will have only what? 5 people. The second group will have only what? 3 people. And the last group will have only a group of what? 2 people. So let's see first group. If you are dealing with the first group, that will be dealing with selection of what? 10, right? We have 10 people to select from selection only what? 5. That is what we are going to be dealing with. Then for the second group, okay, let's have the answer at once. This will mean 10, 9, 8, 7, 1, 2, 3, and what? 6 divided by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So these two will take care of 6. Then this will take care of 8 to give you 2. Then this will also take care of this to give you 2. 2, 2, 4. 4, 36. 36 times 7. And that will give us 36, 7. That will be 2, 5, 2. We say ways, right? So we have ways. Then we go for second group, right? Second group. Now that we are able to take the first group, which is 5 people, we will not be having 10 people left again to select from. So in this case, you'll be left with 10 minus 5. That will be 5. So 5 people, for which I'll be selecting 3 of them. Then that will also can be expanded as 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. You can do all this in the calculator if you want to. This will cancel this. This will be 20 times this. That will be 10 ways. Then let's go to third. The third group is also going to be made up of, we have selected 5 already, so we are left with 5. We selected 3, so we are left with only what? 2 people. It means we are left with 2 selecting 2. And from the laws of some of the principles we dealt in the beginning, this will give us only what? 1. So therefore, the total number of ways 10 people can be divided into the group of 5, 3, 2 are going to be, the first group will be 10, combination 5, 5 combination 3, 2 combination what? 2, which is also the same as 2, 5, 2, 10 times 1. And that will give us 2, 5, 2, 0, various ways. So that will give us 2,520 ways of selecting, dividing 10 people into a group of what? Into 3 groups of 5, 3, 2 people. Meaning 5 will be in the first group, then 3 will be in the second group, then the last group you what? 2 members. I guess the concept on the combination is okay. Share, like, comment, and what? Subscribe.